CKB is a public blockchain protocol that serves as the foundational layer for the Nervos network. It's a Layer 1 blockchain purposefully built for optimal Layer 2 development and scaling. Its main features are asset storage and providing arbitration for upper-level layers. It's open source, permissionless, and proof-of-work secured. And it serves as a decentralized custodian of common knowledge, providing sustainable security and functioning as Nervos's trust anchor. With CKB, developers can create smart contracts using a range of mainstream programming languages. They can build and deploy low-level functionality not possible on other blockchains such as virtual machines, code libraries, and new cryptography, all without using hard forks. And completely free from common blockchain development problems like unsustainable blockchain data growth, weak security, and selfish mining. To ensure CKB remains stable and sustainable, we developed the CKByte, a native token that works as a store of value while aligning the interests of users, miners, developers, and node operators. With CKB's setup and the CKByte, the Nervos network is already solving some of the biggest problems facing blockchain tech today.